Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Got another video for you. Decided to change it up a bit as far as location wise. So I am on the top of the New York Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. Just for, a little bit of a scenery, I guess. Got the Delano over there, Excalibur, and the T-Mobile Arena. So in this video, I'm gonna do like just a 2-month review of the car. For those who don't know or see my past videos, I'm coming from an A5 that was recently totaled. So I picked up this S5. It's kind of an upgrade, so to speak. And so far, I like it. It's a very well-built, fast machine. The supercharger, I'm very impressed with it. It's my first car with the supercharger, and the acceleration is very quick, and it gets up and go. I'm not really a good car reviewer. I'm just basically going off of my personal experiences with it. The DSG transmission in the S5 is silky smooth. I can hardly feel the shifts in this car unless I'm actually looking at the tachometer. Otherwise, I could hardly tell that this car is shifting. Also, with the DSG, it seems to go real quick to get to the top gear. So if I'm like cruising on a highway and I kind of want to punch it, it sort of takes its time finding the right gear to go, and it kind of can have a little lag to it, I guess. So that's one little thing I've noticed. But other than that, it's a pretty good transmission. I have no complaints about it. What else? Ventilated seats I'm still in love with here in this hot Vegas heat. Flat bottom steering wheel is pretty nice. Still trying to get used to it. And yeah, like coming from the A5, the S5 is not a bad upgrade. However, with the S5 comes with a lot more attention than I got with the A5. Primarily, I think because the S5, I still have the badges on it, whereas the A5, I took the badges off. So it might have confused people in questioning what kind of car it actually is. But with the S5, there's no mistaking. It's an S5, so they have a good idea. Still gonna keep the satin mirrors and the chrome side pieces just to match with the wheels, the 20-inch Rohana wheels. And I'm doing it out here in the sun so you guys can get a good look of the color. It is moonlight blue metallic. In some shades it looks black, in some shades it looks charcoal gray. It's a very deceptive color, but I like it. And yeah, so far so good. I'm still enjoying this S5. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I haven't really done too much maintenance on it yet. I mean, the maintenance that I have done are the upper control arms on both sides, and the air filter and the in-cabin air filter. So that's the only thing I've done so far to this car. The upper control arms were pretty easy. I did them on the A5, so they were pretty much in and out on the S5. The lower arms are still pretty good. Everything else is still pretty good. Like I said, it was pretty much well maintained by the dealer, so I don't have to do much to it right now. But yeah, so that's about it. Driving experience is good. The car feels good. If you're wondering why I'm not going real extensive with this review is because it's literally an A5 but faster. So everything is familiar with me. So if you had an A5 or look into an S5 from an A5, it's pretty much the same car, just more torque and more horsepower. So alrighty, I think I'm gonna get out of this Vegas heat because it's kind of hot, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good weekend.